that the Enforcement Directorate team is going to be serving summons to him. And when are these summons dated for? When is the next date scheduled? We are still trying to get you that latest. Bhavtosh, in fact, has been getting us a lot of insight that continues to happen outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence right now. He's joining us live, I'm told. Bhavtosh, what do these summons say? When is Arvind Kejriwal now being asked to appear?
Well, we are right outside the Enforcement Directorate headquarters, and you can see there is a lot of action. The officers from the Delhi police have also been told to beef up security arrangements, whether Arvind Kejriwal will be brought here and further questioning can take place, or whether it will lead to searches at his residence, post which he will be brought here. Remember, this case has been filed at the ED headquarters in this case is being probed by the ED headquarters in New Delhi, and anyone who has been arrested or has been questioned in this case, they all have been asked to join investigation here. So there has been a lot of drama here. As you can see, large number of people are coming here. We exactly don't know who has come here. So there are individuals who are coming here. In fact, KTR has come here. KCR's brother has come here to meet his sister, but that was an order given by the court. But coming back to what is happening at Delhi CM's residence, ED officials, one of the officers who has reached his residence is Assistant Director Joginder, and he has gone to his house, the Delhi CM's house, to serve summons asking Arvind Kejriwal to join the investigation. Whether he has been asked to join the investigation today itself, or whether he will be asked to join the investigation later, or whether the questioning will start from tonight itself, which can lead to something big. One has to wait and see what will happen, but a very important day as far as Delhi excise scam is concerned. As we have been telling our viewers, the probe has now entered its last lap. There is no stay on taking of any kind of coercive action against Arvind Kejriwal. As you can see, large number of media personnel have arrived here. Okay. Security arrangements have also been beefed up. Apart from Delhi police personnel, paramilitary personnel have also, in fact, reached here. Okay. So one can expect an action whether Arvind Kejriwal will be brought from his residence here at Delhi at the ED headquarters here in Delhi, and then be questioned. One has to wait and see what will happen. Okay. Will it be a rerun of what happened with K. Kavita? Remember, even in case of K. Kavita, once the Supreme Court did not pass any order, immediately the ED officials reached her residence in Hyderabad, served summons to her. The search happened, and then she was arrested, then brought to Delhi, and then she was questioned and then produced in a Delhi court. Will it be a rerun of what happened with K. Kavita? One has to wait and see what happened. But what we can confirm to our viewers is two things. One, Arvind Kejriwal will be served summons. B, searches have started taking place at his residence. Dramatic development started from morning itself. First, Arvind Kejriwal tried seeking some kind of relief from the court. That did not happen. And then, in a very dramatic turn of events, ED officials have reached his residence. They will be entering his residence. He is someone who is protected by, he gets a Z+ protection, and officials will be entering his house. They will be serving him summons. Searches will take place. And then Arvind Kejriwal, it could be possible that Arvind Kejriwal will be brought here, and then he will be questioned in this case. What will happen next? One has to wait and see. But we will be reporting from here at ED headquarters, and large number of police personnel have arrived here, including paramilitary forces. Back to you, Dipti.
Okay, so Bhavtosh, let's put that story in perspective. These two windows, in fact, we'll bring up those two windows back on our screens. That really tells you what is happening. Bhavtosh, ladies and gentlemen, is reporting from outside the Enforcement Directorate headquarters. He actually did show us the kind of footfall that has increased. A lot of police bandobast, and right now these images on your screens are just outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence of a little while earlier. What has happened in the last few minutes is this, that you have a team of the Enforcement Directorate just exactly 2 hours after the High Court denies any relief to Arvind Kejriwal from a coercive action / an arrest. You have the Enforcement Directorate team reaching Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Bhavtosh tells us that he's going to be served a new summon. Does this mean that he's going to be right now questioned as we speak, or is he going to be brought to the Enforcement Directorate headquarters? There is still no clarity on that, but both the locations right now are looking at significant action. Bhavtosh there on the left of your screens is reporting from outside the Enforcement Directorate office, and on the right, in fact, were images coming in from Arvind Kejriwal's residence.